Hey guys, it's Scott. I am here with Samantha.
Me, hi.
We're looking at the patient. Today's patient is a Garmin 920 XT. I've had this watch about 2.5 years. And
I used it once.
you might see that we have a problem. One of the bands broke, and you know, the watch is 2.5 years old. We've been through some good times together, and I didn't want to say goodbye. So instead of buying a new watch, I bought a replacement kit online. Garmin sells these little replacement kits. It came with a new band, a couple of pins and some screws to replace things, and some tools to do it. So I'm here with my trusty assistant, Samantha.
Yeah, I already said that.
And Samantha, can you please identify for us where we will be performing our surgery today?
Wait.
Okay, we've identified the proper side, and I have absolutely no talent in this whatsoever. So, can you please hand me the screwdriver? You can remove the top if you like. Thank you. Oh, did you do it? Having trouble? I'll do it. Go ahead. Just don't eat it. Ugh. All right, I need the other one as well.
What? Jesus,
okay, so I believe this is the way this works. This should get the screws out on each side. I don't really know what I'm doing. I've never repaired a watch before. There's one screw. I should be able to pull it out on the other side, I would guess. All right, see that? Look at that. That worked nicely. Here's the broken band. The broken band we will be saying goodbye to. New band? Do you have the new band? How about taking some time away from the ice cream and focus on surgery? You're never going to be a good doctor. So we line that up. Let's put this through.
I don't want to be a doctor though, so.
No? Yeah, there's no honor in that.
She has a future as a lawyer.
No, I don't.
She's arguing.
Reaction to the
She's arguing. She's making an argument. Here we go. We're gonna just put this together. This so far is
Stephanie
not
can
too
be my
bad.
boss. You can be
Not
my
too
boss.
bad. Look at this.
What?
It worked. Tighten it up. That's it.
That
Voila.
was easy.
That's it. We have replaced the watch band. You can go back where it belongs. You know what? The key to not breaking the Garmin is never to take it off. There you go.
Remember to like our video and subscribe to our channel.